How can you fix your Face ID not working, or how can you reset your Face ID? So this is all about your privacy, your security on your iPhone. Modern iPhone have a feature called Face ID. In this feature, we can just unlock our iPhone by using our face. It sends our face and then the phone will be unlocked. So what if your FaceTime, or what if your face lock is not working properly on your iPhone? How can you reset your face? How can you add another face in that? So this is all the video is about. First step is to go on the setting option here from your mobile phone. This is my iPhone here, and I will click on the setting. In setting, you have to find the setting called Face ID and passcode. Click on that. Here you have to enter your passcode, like if my passcode is this, and this is the menu of my Face ID. And now here you can see there is a lot of option here. You can just simply turn it off, Face ID, from here like this. If you don't want Face ID to unlock your mobile phone, you can just turn it on from here, and I want it, so I will turn it on. After that, you will see an option called Reset Face ID. This is the option by which you can change the face, or by which you can change the Face ID on your iPhone. Whenever you will click it, it will demand you for your password, that is my password. And after that, you have to go on sensing a new face, and then you can add a new face into your mobile phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any question, any query, any confusion of any topic, so just drop the comment into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that soon. Keep watching, keep loving.